After seeing this video, you will never again want to discard coffee grounds. Coffee beans are magical in their abilities. For those late evenings of studying or working, it makes a dark, rich, fragrant drink that gives us energy, helps with hangovers, and helps keep us alert. As an additional natural byproduct, coffee grounds have many potential uses in the home, garden, and beyond. That is why you shouldn't carelessly dispose of coffee grounds. Here are some of the wonderful ways you can recycle coffee grounds to benefit your everyday life. Neutralize odors. If you want to mask an unpleasant smell, use coffee grounds. To eradicate unwanted smells, simply drop some in a bowl or container and set it somewhere like the refrigerator. Just leave it there overnight and all those unpleasant scents will be gone. You can also deodorize gym bags, stinky shoes, or any other space by filling sachets with coffee grinds and placing them in there. To further eliminate the unpleasant odor, try scrubbing your hands with coffee grounds after cutting garlic or onions. Exfoliate your skin. Coffee grounds are an excellent exfoliant. Use them as a natural way to boost your skin health. All you have to do is gently rub them into your skin. It improves blood flow and exfoliates the skin. If you want to give your hands, feet, and legs a little extra TLC, mix some water or coconut oil with coffee grounds and use them gently. Rinse it off with warm water after letting it sit for a few minutes. Depending on how parched your skin is, you may need to repeat this step more than once. Tenderize meat. One of the best ways to make meat tender is to use coffee grounds. It tenderizes meat by reducing tough connective tissue, improves flavor, and gives the meat a wonderful, buttery, smooth texture. You can make mouth-watering and flavorful marinades, dry rubs, wet rubs, and the most tender dishes using coffee grounds. Scour your pots and pans. Scrubbing pans and pots with coffee grounds is a terrific idea. Instead of using the scouring pad to remove very stuck-on food or oil, you can use coffee grounds. They are just as effective as steel wool in cleaning pots without scratching them. In the same vein, you may clean your sink with coffee grounds. Use it as a natural dye. If you're into do-it-yourself projects, you might want to consider utilizing coffee grounds as a natural color for things like hair and fabrics. If you're looking for a natural dye option that won't harm the environment, try using coffee grounds instead. To make coffee grounds into a dye, you need to dissolve them in hot water. Wait for them to cool and then apply the mixture to whichever material you choose. The color will deepen as they sit together for an extended period of time. Fertilize your soil. The nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and sulfur that are abundant in coffee grounds makes them a great soil amendment for gardens. It improves the general health of plants by giving them the nutrients they need to flourish, which in turn helps them develop stronger roots. Just sprinkle some coffee grinds into the soil to provide a natural fertilizer for your plants. Treat under-eye circles. You may also use coffee grinds to alleviate dark circles beneath your eyes. They can alleviate redness, swelling, and puffiness due to their anti-inflammatory characteristics. They may also alleviate the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. To do this, you can use a mixture of coffee grounds, water, and yogurt to treat dark circles under the eyes. You should wait 5 minutes after applying it before washing it off with cold water. Do this 2 times weekly for the best results. Repel insects and pests. Coffee grinds can be a great natural insecticide if you're seeking one. To keep pests at bay, simply sprinkle some around your house and yard. Bugs including beetles, fruit flies, spiders, and ants are all repelled by them. They may be useful in deterring rabbits, slugs, and snails, among other pests also. Repel fleas from your pet. Fleas are inevitable if you own a dog or a cat that spends a lot of time outside. They're a nightmare for everybody who has a pet. The good news is that you can use coffee grinds as a natural pesticide. Here's a simple solution. After bathing your pet, massage their fur with a combination of 1 part coffee grounds to 2 parts water. Just give it a good 10 minutes of coverage, then wash it off well. Then let your pets play outside, free from those annoying bloodsuckers. Compost it for later use. Assuming you don't currently compost at home, now is the time to start if you frequently make a lot of coffee and have a lot of grounds remaining. To make your own organic fertilizer for your garden or lawn, just mix old coffee grounds with other organic materials such as vegetable scraps or leaves in a compost bin. Then place the bin outdoors in a sunny spot where it will break down into rich, nourishing soil. Coffee grinds may be put to many creative uses, as you can see for yourself. There will be plenty of used coffee grounds on hand if you drink coffee daily, so there's no need to toss them away. These are just a few ideas to get you started. If you have any more, please share them with us. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends if you found the information it contained to be helpful. It frees us up to make even better stuff. To ensure that you never miss a video from us, make sure to enable alerts. Thank you for watching and visiting with us today. Please be well, be wise, and take care.